My name is Dale Meesbeck. I'm a comfort advisor, and I started here 3.5 years ago. I actually used Cardinal at my house before I started with them. And that's basically what inspired me to even apply for working for them. When I saw they had a position open, I was thinking about making a career change, and I thought it would be a really good fit. I think I was welcomed in as a stranger to a group of people that had never seen me or knew me before whatsoever, and we just mixed well. Got to know people at Christmas parties, just working with them every day in the office, different things that brought groups of people together. You just get to know each other more and more. I like going out to the installs when I can and talking to the installing guys, putting in people's furnaces and air conditioner systems, and you just, I think you build a rapport with each other. You feel welcomed. I don't think there's a time ever I have walked through this building and if I run into Rick or Sharon, they don't say hi to you. They are always genuine and say hi to you. I think that's really, really big, that your company owners know who you are and they will give you at least a few minutes of their day to talk to you. I think that's huge.